triple chocolate fudge cookies using our Happy Way triple chocolate fudge protein powder. So for this recipe, I'm using the vegan version because I find that when using protein powders in baking, the vegan proteins work a little better. So all I'm going to need is 1 scoop of this. I'm going to need about 1 tablespoon of the cacao powder. I've got a 1/4 cup each of white chocolate chips and dark chocolate chips. I've got 60 grams of butter, which I've set out of the fridge and allowed to soften. I've got 2 egg yolks, 1 cup of flour. I've got some pure vanilla essence. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I've got approximately 100 grams of coconut sugar. You can also use brown sugar, whatever you prefer. So it's pretty simple to make. What I'm going to do is first beat my sugar and my butter together until it's nice and fluffy. I'm then going to gradually add in the egg and the vanilla and beat that until it's well combined. From there, I will fold in my flour, my baking powder, and my 2 Happy Way powders, and I'll mix that together, and then I'm going to fold through my chocolate chips. So once my mixture is all combined and is ready to go, I will roll about a tablespoon of the mixture into balls, pop it into my prepared tray, flatten my cookies down, and then I'm going to pop that in the oven, which has been preheating at 170 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 minutes. Now, after the 10 minutes is up, they're going to still be a little bit soft, but that's okay. I'm going to pull them out the oven and allow them to set completely in the tray for about 20 minutes. This is going to give them a nice gooey center, which is what we're looking for.